Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, before we begin, by the way, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. As we can see, getting a little bit of a move to the upside yesterday, heading back up to that resistance as I probably predicted was going to happen. I did think that, you know, considering that we've been heading down like this, we'd probably come back up after breaking down from this key level here. Coming back up for a back test before continuation to the downside seemed pretty likely in my opinion. And we can see here what is most likely the case. This little bit of an ABC correction we've seen for Bitcoin is playing out for Polygon here as well. And now heading back up, in my opinion, to that previous level of support. A very key Fibonacci level at the 0.50 here at around 97 cents. You can see we've been bouncing between these two Fibonacci levels around that 75 cent to $1 level for Polygon for a goddamn long time last year before we got the breakout to the upside, but now falling back down into this range yet again. I'll probably be trading this range until it breaks in either direction. As I always say, I will be trading these ranges until they break, because right now we are just going sideways in these markets until we see ourselves into a significant bull run. Obviously the volume as well quite low at the minute compared to the bull run as well, and really, you know, Polygon right now just going sideways and waiting for its time to shine. Currently sitting what are we at, around 87-88 cents, and probably in my opinion heading back up to around 95 cents for a retest of that previous level before continuation. Excuse me. And that is literally the way that I'm going to be playing this, keeping it super simple. Shorting support, shorting resistance and longing support, sorry. That shorter resistance or that long at support, but I do think that shorter resistance up at around that 0.50 97 cent level is pretty damn likely soon, and that is what I'll be looking for in the future, guys. So that is really it. Not that much going on in the markets right now. Obviously Bitcoin trying to decide what it's going to do next. We'll have to wait and see what happens, but in my opinion we'll probably be looking at a little bit of a move to the upside for Polygon, followed by a rejection. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching as always. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.